Te pū tahitanga o te Waiponamu takes its name from the convergence of the many rivers that shape our story. Our awa are in a constant state of flux, turning and bending, sometimes gentle, sometimes hurtling through rapids. So too are the lives of whānau. Our name was a gift from the 9 iwi of Te Waiponamu, who have come together under the single kaupapa of whānau ora. Simply put, whānau ora is an innovative whānau-led approach to well-being. Our focus is to ensure that whānau flourish in their own image on their own terms. The 7 po of whānau ora provide a framework by which whānau describe their dreams and aspirations. It is also a means by which we help to ensure their journeys are mapped out in a way that everyone can sign up to. The 9 iwi who hold mana whenua status in the South Island form our taumata. Their support and leadership is vital to keeping whānau well-being at the forefront of everyone's minds. The General Partner Limited Board are the governance body. They provide oversight of the management and leadership of the commissioning agency. Te pū tahitanga o te Waiponamu supports whānau through different pathways. Whānau often come up with amazing ideas about how they can make an enduring difference in the quality of their lives. There is no greater incentive to their work than envisaging the future they want their mokopuna to inherit. We call this commissioning innovation. The commissioning approach creates the conditions for whānau to build capability, acquire new knowledge, access expertise, and apply new skills to their initiatives. Sometimes there will be snags along the way, which cause our journey to falter. Whānau Ora Navigators are a resource to whānau to enable them to help pave a new way ahead through the support of the navigator, a pathway plan, or connection to wider networks. Te punanga haumaru means a site of safety. We think of this as the landscape in which whānau live. Some of the specific change projects we have in place are around reducing and eliminating family violence, tūpono, te manakaho o te whānau, preventing suicide and self-harm, te koha and mokopuna ora. One of the major findings in a recent evaluation of He Toki Ki Te Mahi was that for every $1 invested, there would be $7 in return. A formal evaluation of the Whānau Ora Navigation Program commissioned in 2017 found that navigators are having a significant and positive impact with whānau across Te Waiponamu. The research found that enduring whānau ora outcomes are driven by whānau aspirations, which while long-term are enabled by the navigators who walk alongside whānau as they take their initial steps. The best navigators are authentic, accessible, and work with whānau as equals. Therefore, whānau regard navigators as a critically important enabler of change. Te pū tahitanga is the realisation of an iwi-led model that invests directly in Māori for social impact and to bring about positive change for whānau. Whānau Ora puts whānau in control, building on the collective strengths of a whānau working together to achieve their aspirations and essentially creating a pathway to self-determination. We are energised, inspired and amazed at what has been achieved in a very short time.